Today we're going to talk about the cross-exponential moving average and simple moving average indicator, which is a technical indicator. This tool is very popular among traders because it shows when a short-term trend changes direction compared to a longer-term trend. On our platform, we usually use two moving averages. The 20-period exponential moving average reacts quickly to price changes. The 50-period exponential moving average or the 50-period simple moving average moves more slowly and is smoother. Here's how to set it up step by step. First, go to the Studies section. Next, add the exponential moving average indicator twice. For the first exponential moving average, set the period to 20 and change the color, for example, to yellow. For the second exponential moving average, set the period to 50. Now, on your chart, you'll see two lines, the fast 20-period exponential moving average and the slower 50-period exponential moving average. For example, Graphic Packaging Holding Company, ticker GPK. Here, we can see that the 20-period exponential moving average crossed above the 50-period exponential moving average 9 trading days ago. The screener shows this directly, bearish cross 9 days ago. The actual crossover date was August 28th. This way, we can quickly filter for stocks that recently had a bullish or bearish cross and may be entering a new trend. So, the cross-exponential moving average and simple moving average indicator is an effective tool to spot early trend changes. It combines short-term momentum with long-term direction and helps traders focus on the names that might deliver strong moves. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform and don't forget to do your own research.